DIY photography, 8 AI photographers available 24/7. No more hiring pros. No need to hire a professional photographer. Here is the list of 8 AI photographer which is available for 24 hours. 1. Aragon AI. Aragon AI is a revolutionary platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to transform your selfies into professional. 2. Prophotos.ai. It specializes in returning the highest quality and most realistic AI headshots for their users. 3. Airbrush AI Headshot. It is a professional photo service that uses AI technology to generate high-quality headshots. For Headshot AI, it is a great way to obtain professional-looking headshots in minutes. 5. Headshot Pro. It is the perfect solution for all your headshot creation needs. 6. PFP Maker. It is a great tool for generating superb corporate profile pictures for you and your team. 7. Dreamwave. Get natural, accurate, and beautiful photos of yourself in 2 hours, no camera required. 8. Studio Shot. Using Studio Shot you can create virtual headshots in mere minutes.